Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present beef stroganoff with buttered garlic zoodles. This dish is so flavorful and delicious, it'll fast become your favorite go-to comfort food recipe. Let's get started. We'll begin by using a spiralizer and zoodling 2 medium yellow squash. Once we're done, just set it aside. You can use any beef you prefer. I'll be using a 6-ounce inexpensive chuck steak. Cut into bite-sized pieces and remove any large pieces of fat. Add some oil to a rim skillet on medium-high heat. Cook the beef in the oil until lightly brown and about medium rare. Remove the beef from the skillet and set aside. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the same skillet. Add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and give a quick stir. Add some chopped green onions and stir to mix. We'll season with some salt, ground black pepper, some tarragon, rosemary, and just a bit of cayenne pepper. Stir to combine. Add 2 more tablespoons of unsalted butter and continue to cook and stir for about 3 to 5 minutes to allow the mushrooms and onions to soften. Add some minced garlic and cook an additional minute. Return the beef back to the skillet and mix to combine. Now we'll pour in some beef stock, some heavy cream, and a half cup of sour cream. Give this a mix to fully combine. Bring to a boil and reduce the heat to low. Let simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. While this simmers, we'll work on our zoodles. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a skillet on medium heat. Add the zoodles and mix to coat. Season with some salt and a little black pepper. Continue to cook and stir until the zoodles begin to soften. Add some minced garlic and cook and stir for an additional minute. Strain the zoodles in a colander to remove the excess moisture and stir in about 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. After 15 minutes of simmering, gently sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum to the stroganoff and continue to cook and stir for about 2 to 5 minutes until it gently thickens. Top the zoodles with the stroganoff and enjoy one of the best low-carb comfort food dishes you'll ever try. There you have it, folks. My beef stroganoff recipe, a wonderfully delicious low-carb meal that'll satisfy the most finicky of eaters. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.